Hey guys, welcome to this new video where we'll revise what we did in the previous four videos where we introduced ourselves to the terminal and how to navigate around in the terminal and moving things around in the terminal. So let's revise the syntax of a few very important commands that we learned. PWD print working directory list ls is pretty basic. You just enter these, type them and enter. The next important command was to change directory. What we do is we type cd space location or cd space name of the folder. So if the folder is in the current directory, you say cd space name of the folder. If the folder is inside another folder in the current directory or even a few levels down, you just write the location of the folder using slashes. If you remember, we did that in the last couple of videos. Going back to the previous directory is cd space double dot. That takes you back to the previous directory. Remember, if you just type cd and enter, it takes you back to the home directory or the user's directory. Now, to make a directory, what you do is you type in mkdir and the name of the directory. That creates a new directory for you. Moving files, the way you move files is mv name of file, mv space name of file, space location. That's how you move a file from the current directory to another folder. And location is the location of the folder. It can also be the name of the folder if the folder is in the current directory. And copying and pasting. Uh, this copies and pastes the file by the name of file to a location. Again, the location can be the name of the folder if the folder is in the current directory. If it's further down, which means it's inside a folder which is in the current directory or a few levels down, then you have to put in the location. You can use move files and copy paste to also move a file, rename a file. In that case, the syntax becomes mv name of file before renaming and space name of file after renaming. Copying pasting a file is copy paste name of file, name of original file, and name of the copied file. That's how the syntax works in command line arguments. So this was a quick revision of all that we did. Thank you for watching, and in the next video we'll be doing something really interesting, and we'll be introducing ourselves to the Vim editor. It's an editor present inside the terminal. So do come back. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.